and welcome to Party Printables Series Volume 3. This video will cover designing a custom wrapper for Welch's fruit snacks. If you have watched my previous printable series, you will see that the design method is the same. All you have to do is to configure your sizing, which I have provided for you. You will need the same supplies as before. I'm using HAMMERMILL color copy paper, but use whatever paper you desire. So we'll get started right after this. Okay, we're in Silhouette Studio and I'm using the business edition, but you can create these wrappers in the standard free edition. We're going to get started by zooming out, and I'm going to go to our template. I have the sizes posted on the screen for the wrapper and the box. I'm going to show you a new way instead of using the lines that we had on the last wrapper. I had some lines like this, and they were kind of confusing to some people, so I created this box to try to make it simpler. So the box in the middle is this size right here. You're going to size it to that. The white is the wrapper. You're going to size it to this. So once you create both, you're going to group them together and you're going to center them by going to the transform, align center, and then you're going to align middle, and that is going to center that box on the page. When you get ready to start designing, everything on the left will stay within this white section. You will not cross over this red line. When you design the center, everything will remain in the center, and the same for the right side. I have everything here as always to save time, so we're just going to plug everything in and get it printed, and this tutorial will be done. So the first step, I'm going to do the drag and drop method and bring in our background, and it attaches itself. Just start plugging in the elements. I have the blades of grass, bringing in our eggs, and this concept is kind of redundant, but it is the same. It's so much like the chip bag. Then you put your grass on top, and now your eggs, they look like they're sitting down in the grass. Jaden's name is a font. His font is Super Mario. I think I mentioned that in another video. As well as this barcode font. And I downloaded this, I think, from defont.com. And the rest of these images, they're just Google images. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to center the things here in the middle. Select them, hold down your shift, and then we're going to select this box, because the box we already centered, but we want to center these things here within the box. So we're going to go back to the transform panel, align center, and see how it moved everything in the center. Okay, just move the rest of the stuff. Bring Mario in. If you want to center Mario, you just select Mario. Select your box again. Make sure you got the right box. Okay, select Mario, and you're going to hold down shift while you're doing this, and you're going to hit align center. we're almost through pulling in the elements here. And let's see, we get everything. Okay, one more thing. Bring this in. And that's it. This is designed and ready to print. This series is just about complete. After we finish the printable series, we're going to move on to some sublimation things. So I'm going to get this printed out and I will be back. Okay, I have the image printed. You can either send this through your cutter, meaning your Cricut or your Silhouette, or you can just cut it out with scissors. And that's what I'm going to do. You can fit 2 of these to a page. But since I'm doing this just for a tutorial, I only printed 1. Okay, and like I say, it's just like doing a chip bag. This stuff is so simple to do. The hardest part is the designing if you're not really into doing graphics, putting images together. So once you get the hang of it, it's not hard at all. Take your bag, and if you want to just fold it up a little bit, you can do that. And you just bring it in. Wait a minute. My sticky part is stuck. Okay. So here we go again. You got something like this. It's the same thing. And squeeze it. And squeeze it. Okay, so we're just going to trim the extra white part off. Okay, then you just put it in your crimper. Okay, that is your fruit snack, and I want to show you the ones all together. Let me get them. Okay, this is the chip bag. This is the honey bun wrapper. And that's just another chip bag. And then this is the open and close option of chip bag that you can use with the Ziploc bag if you want to put your own stuff in there. And they don't have to tear the bag open to get the treats out. But this one you would have to tear it open, but not so with this one. So far we've done the chip bag, fruit snack, and the honey bun. We're going to do a juice We're going to do fruit cup and the dippers, the cheese and crackers. And that will end the series, and then we will make our basket. And like I say, after this is over, we will go to sublimation. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.